are you going to get these IRs into the Kemper? Let me show you. First, I'll make a quick profile of my old vintage blackface bassman. Gonna kick on a Friedman Dirty Shirley pedal with an EP booster, which gives us a lovely chocolatey. I've got my profile. What you're gonna need is your little USB thingy. On your computer, you have to download the Kemper cabinet maker. That's on the Kemper site after you've logged in under the category Utilities. It's not easy to find, but it's once you know where to look, it's not hard. Cabinet maker, download that, and it'll launch this cab maker utility. And you go up to File, Open Impulse Response. Impulse Response. Let's go with that G1265. Closed for back 412. 44.1. You're gonna pick the 200 millisecond. The Kemper is going to truncate that anyway, so there's no benefit to choosing a larger or higher sample rate. And let's pick the high gain blend of the 57-121. Now it's asking me where I want to put it. Just put it where you found it. And it is converted. And now in that folder, I have my Kemper. You can see it has a little Kemper icon. I'm going to just pull that out. So now I'm going to drag that file onto the shared folder. With the USB stick inserted, we're going to go to External Storage, Import, and it just pulled in that, it's calling it a rig, but it's basically our Celestion Plus cabinet. So now, okay, exit that. We're back on my Bassman profile. Now if I want to change the cabinet, go to Cabinet, hold that down, it'll put you in cabinet mode, and you go to Browse. And now, look at that, right there, G1265 412. That has become part of that profile. Back to my stock Bassman, which was in a 412 cab with vintage 30s. Alright, so I could go into cabinets, go to that G1265. Pretty nice. I could let's go that G12K100. So that totally changes the character. I mean, that's kind of really sort of aggressive speaker. So from there, I could gain it up. I can check the definition. Cool. And alter the EQ a bit. And kind of transformed the sound. It's a nice way to expand the color palette of the profiles you already have with just a little bit of extra tweaking. All right, thanks for watching. Be well.